Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good today. Well, today's makeup look is yellow summer cut crease eye makeup look. So summer is almost there, so I wanted to create something which is totally showing off our summer vibes. So that's why I created this look and I named this look as Yellow Vibes. So the main highlight of this look is our beautiful cut crease eyes. I will be telling you guys how we can get these beautiful eyes, and you just have to follow me step by step to create this look. And I hope you guys will like this look. I'll also be sharing the steps with you guys to how to get that beautiful, flawless, glowy base for your makeup. Like as you guys can see, my makeup and my base looks really glamorous and really flawless, and I'm actually loving that beautiful glow coming up, and I will be sharing with you guys that how I got that look. So yeah, let's just get started. Let's begin a video. And if you guys have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And so I'm gonna be starting with cleaning my face by using a Tarte micellar water. Now after that is done, I would be starting with my eyebrows. Now I am using NYX eyebrow pencil and I will be just brushing it with a spoolie, and then I would be filling my eyebrows using the eyebrow pencil, and I'm just making sure that I fill my eyebrow pencil within my eyebrow shape. I'm not going over the line of my eyebrows. Once my eyebrow is done, we will be starting with our eye makeup, and the palette which I am using is a whatever palette from ColourPop, which is a beautiful palette, I must say. I love all the colors in this palette, and the first color which I would be using is a Copycat, and it's a beautiful peachy, a very like lightish color, and I would be using it on my eyelid, and I would be using this as my transition shade. Blending brush, I would be applying it all over my crease and all over my eyelid, and just making sure I blend out the color really nicely. Doing the same things on my other eye as well. Now the next color which I would be using is a Pass It On, and I would be applying it on my crease, just making sure I blend it out very nicely, and using a small crease brush I would be applying it on my crease and just very smoothly, very gently blending it out so that it gives a nice blending effect and the color very nicely blend out on my eyelid. Once that is done, I would be cut creasing my eye using a concealer and using a concealer brush, and I would be cut creasing my eye. So this time I am not doing a half cut crease, I am following up with the full cut crease. Now the favorite part, I am using my one of the favorite palette, which is Morphe X James Charles palette, and I am using a yellow shade from this palette, which is beautiful pigmented color. It blends out really nicely. I just love this palette, and if you're a makeup artist, this is a must-have palette. I must tell you guys, this palette has all the beautiful colors which you will require to create your makeup, and I am such a huge fan of James Charles, and as well as this beautiful colors which are created in this palette. I am so glad that I have it, and I'm highly recommend to all the makeup artists out there. Now using that yellow shade, I would be applying it on my eye, only the area where I just cut creased it. The next I am using is Color Essence glitter eyeliner. Now I would be applying it just one stroke on my crease, just like applying it like an eyeliner, just applying it as a one stroke. Now once that is done, I am taking that glittery shade from the whatever palette by ColourPop. The shade name is Do, and I would be applying it on just on the center part of my eyelid using my fingers, and just making sure that I give that glitter effect on the center part of my eye. You can also use a brush, but I am using my finger. Now I would be curling my eyelashes, and I'm using a Real Technique eyelash curler. Now for my waterline, I'm using a NYX liner in bronzer, and I would be applying it on my waterline. For the mascara, I am taking Total Temptation mascara from Maybelline. I would be applying it on both of my eyelashes. Make sure you guys spend time while applying the mascara because this actually makes difference on your eyes. And you can see a huge difference after applying the mascara, so mascara is must. I'm using my all-time favorite eyelashes from Black Label, which is in Flutter. I'm cleaning my face using a wet tissue. I'm using a Farsili Beauty Elixir. Now this is a bomb product. It actually works so beautiful on my skin. It actually helps in getting that glowy effect on my face, so that's why I love using this product. Now for the moisturizer, I'm using a moisturizer from L'Oreal Paris, and I really love this moisturizer. Now never forget your sunscreen, and I'm using an ultra sheer sunscreen from Neutrogena, and I would be applying it on my face. Never forget your neck area. Where I'm taking a Stay Matte primer from Rimmel London. Now it's a mattifying primer which is super good for the super oily skin type people. I have an oily skin, so I love this primer on my face. Now for the foundation, I'm taking a Fenty Beauty foundation, and now this foundation is a little yellow tone, and as I was creating a yellow vibe, which is kind of summer vibe, so I wanted that little yellow tone on my face, so that's why I'm using this yellow tone foundation from Fenty Beauty. Now I must say this foundation is a bomb product. It works so beautiful, and you don't feel like that you're wearing a very heavy foundation. It is a lightweight foundation. It is a full coverage, as well as you can also make it as a light coverage as well, and also you can layer it up. So I really love this foundation. Now using a foundation brush, I would be applying it on my face and blending it nicely. For the concealer, I'm taking a Age Rewind concealer from Maybelline, which works beautiful, and I'm taking a one shade lighter from my skin tone and applying it on my under eyes, and then using a concealer brush or using a beauty blender, you can blend it, but I'm here using a beauty blender from Sephora, which is a very beautiful blender. It works so nicely, and I would be blending out all the concealer on my face. A banana powder from Milani Cosmetics. I am not baking my eyes this time. I'm just applying it on my under eyes, all over my face. Using a cream contour stick from Fenty Beauty, and I would be applying it on the high points of my cheeks, under my jawline, on my nose, and then using a contour brush, I would be blending it. Now let me tell you something about this contour. This contour is definitely a little expensive, but it is again a bomb product, and I've been using it from couple of months, and I really love this product. And this product actually is very easily blended out, and it works beautiful on, I think, all skin tones. So I would highly recommend you guys, if you want to invest in a good contour stick, you should definitely check out the Fenty Beauty contour stick. For my lower lash line, I am using the color Pass It On, and I would be applying it on my lower lash line just a little, give that highlighted effect on my lower lash line. So using a small eyeshadow brush, I would be applying it on my lower lash line. And also applying the mascara. Blush, I'm taking a baked blush from Milani Cosmetics, which is one of my favorite products, and you guys would have seen me using this product multiple times. For the highlighter, I am taking my all-time favorite highlighter from CoverGirl. This works beautiful on my skin and actually gives you that kind of glowy effect. So I mean, I cannot live without this highlighter. I really love this highlighter. For the lipstick, I am using the very first time the Smashbox lipstick in Driver's Seat. Love this shade on me. It actually looks so beautiful on my skin, and I love this shade, and gives me that pouty effect to my lips. So I'm actually loving the color. It looks pretty well, and it's definitely matching the look. And after one status done, I'm using a Garnier facial mist. It's kind of like a refreshing mist on my face, just to get that refreshment on my face. And for setting my makeup, I'm using a lasting makeup fixer from Maybelline, applying it all over my face, giving just 5-10 minutes so that it can set. Now this is my final look. I really enjoyed creating this look, and I definitely love the makeup, the way it turned out. It looks so beautiful, so glowy. Like, I really love the makeup. You guys can see that smile on my face. I actually loved how this makeup turned out, and I hope you guys also loved watching this video and loved the creation of this makeup. I'll see you guys soon with a new video, and just in case you guys love this look, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share this video with your friends, and also follow me on all my social media handles. So right now I'm just signing off from this video. I'll see you guys soon with a brand new video. I love you guys so much. Take care. Till then, bye bye.